This is Alex. He likes bags. So much that he has a YouTube channel dedicated to them called Out in the Lights. He especially loves unique bags like this adjustable duffel from Vous, Pouvez, Dormir dans la Grange, a French company he can barely pronounce.
Vous pouvez dormir dans la Grange. I think that sounded pretty good, actually.
In this video, he's going to talk about all of the things he likes about this bag and some of the things he doesn't. He also asks you to subscribe, comment and like the video so he can feel better about himself for getting more views. Let's get into it.
The Weekender bag from Vous Pouvez Dormir dans la Grange comes in at 30 centimeters by 15 centimeters by 30 centimeters for a total capacity of 15 liters. Or, if you slide these two leather sleeves up, the bag can actually expand to 60 centimeters by 20 centimeters by 30 centimeters for a total capacity of 35 liters. The bag weighs 0.58 kilograms, and the outside of the bag is made with a waterproof 100% cotton fabric dyed and woven in France. The inside graphic lining of the bag is 100% cotton printed in Portugal, and the leather handles are a natural full grain from France. And not only is this bag designed in France, it's actually made and assembled there as well. The Weekender bag currently comes in 8 different colorways, and it's going to run you $270 US. Alright, so let's check out what we're going to be able to fit in this bag for a typical day out. I have it in the 15-liter, smaller, everyday carry mode right now. So this is just going to be kind of what I carry with me every day. We'll start with an iPad. Fits nicely in the back there. Next, just have an overshirt in case it gets a little cold. I'm working at a cafe or something. Like to keep that in there. Next is going to be this packable poncho from Matador. This is like a towel material, kind of like a performance towel material. I'll tell you more about this in an upcoming EDC video, but this is really cool this time of year to carry this instead of an umbrella. It works really, really well. Got the over-ear headphones. Always bringing along a camera, especially this time of year. Really great to get out there and take photos. And this is my Olympus Trip 35, which I highly recommend. Other than that, got car keys right here and the house keys. Throwing them out, walking around. And then in this little pouch on the inside, gonna bring along my field notes and a pen so I can jot ideas down during the day, write scripts, all those kind of things while I'm out. And then, of course, can't go out without a handheld video game device, and this is the Super Mario 1 and 2 Game & Watch from Nintendo. And lastly, one more thing in here, sunglasses. Not great weather out right now, just rained here, but these can come in use this time of year when the weather is nice. There are so many things to love about this bag. And first off, I gotta call out the ingenuity, because this is a bag like no other on the market today. It is a completely unique and original design with its expanding capacity via those leather sleeves. Secondly, it's a beautiful looking bag. And it doesn't matter if you're in the everyday carry mode or the bigger weekend travel mode, the bag's gonna look great no matter what. And another thing I really like is Vous, Pouvez, Dormir dans la Grange's commitment to making this bag locally in France. Yeah, you might be paying a little bit more because they are creating within their local community, but I think that that's a price worth paying. And on the topic of price, this is where we're going to lose some people, because it is quite expensive for a bag that is missing some key elements like a padded laptop sleeve, so definitely a little bit of a negative there. However, this bag is not for the technical backpacker. This is a bag for someone who values style, quality, creativity. This is for the Daniel Simmons or Harry Haas crowd rather than the Nomads Nation or Pack Hacker crowd. But I want to know what you think about this bag. Let's discuss it in the comments below. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Here's what's on my turntable this week.